Under Linux, VLC Player has suddenly stopped playing certain files. In my particular case, it didn't want to play any vertical videos, regardless of the codec used. So when I open a vertical video encoded using H.264 codec, I could hear the audio, however instead of the video part, you get an error. Codec not supported, VLC could not decode the format. And this happens on both the version installed from the official repository, I use Arch by the way, and the app image as well, which is actually created from the same Arch repositories. So anyway, the reason why this happens is that recently VLC has split the player from the codecs. So now to get all the codecs with all the functions, you will need to install VLC plugins meta package. So run this command to install those packages, and after you do it, VLC Player will start working just fine.
I'm the god of YouTube!
Like, subscribe, jingle bells.